Hey friends, welcome back. If you're trying to connect your R36S handheld console to Wi-Fi and feeling stuck, here's the most important thing you need to know right away. The R36S does not have built-in Wi-Fi. That's normal, and it's not a defect. To get internet access, you'll need a little extra hardware. First, you'll need a USB Wi-Fi dongle that's compatible with the R36S. Since most dongles use USB-A and the R36S uses USB-C, you'll also need a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now this part is critical. The R36S has two USB-C ports, but only one is the OTG port. The Wi-Fi dongle must be plugged into the OTG port, not the charging port, or it simply won't work. Once connected, power on the R36S and open Arc OS settings. Go to Wi-Fi options, enable Wi-Fi, scan for nearby networks, select your network, and enter the password. If everything is compatible, you'll see a Wi-Fi icon showing the connection is active. If it doesn't connect, the dongle may not support Arc OS. In that case, another easy option is USB tethering. Just connect your phone with a cable and share its internet.